Hi, I'm Emma Louise and I love PVC. So much so that I own some PVC dresses, corsets, leggings, a catsuit, and even some more risque items of clothing that don't quite cover all of my skin that I definitely can't show on YouTube. So today I'm going to try on 3 PVC outfits. I'm going to accessorise each outfit. I'm also going to try on some heels and boots. That's going to be 6 outfit changes. I'm going to be so knackered after this one. Just think of me as your shiny Barbie doll. And of course it wouldn't be a full PVC outfit if the heels weren't black paint PVC and the boots weren't PVC. So today I am going to debut my black patent PVC thigh-high boots. But before we get into all the PVC outfits, what do you think of this one that I'm wearing right now? PVC leggings and my rainbow striped top. It's casual, yet I've managed to sneak in a little bit of PVC. Shall I give you? There we go. It's kind of cool, isn't it? Casual, not too shouty in your face. Right, let's get on with the first PVC outfit. Okay, outfit 1. And you've always got to start with a PVC Maid dress, haven't you? Nobody makes a PVC Sissy Maid dress like Misfitz alternative clothing. The quality of it is fantastic. It's really, really thick, feels thick, it looks thick, and judging by how warm I feel on this already, it is thick. I just love the hot pink detailing that goes around. I've got a little penny on that there, and it just contrasts beautifully with the black. I've paired this with black fishnet tights and my black pleaser 6-inch heels. I've accessorised it with a nice little sort of gothy collar or choker. What do you think? Give it a spin around. It works, it's good, isn't it? It's a really nice PVC outfit. Now, no maid would be complete without a pair of gloves to protect her delicate hands, and I just so happen to have some gloves. PVC gloves, obviously. Now, I got these from Honor Clothing. So let's put these on and see how this looks. There we go. Does it work or not? I'm not sure. I'm thinking probably not. Let's take those off. Well, we tried. That doesn't really work, I don't think. Not with this outfit anyway. Okay, so no gloves then. I have not worn this PVC dress outside anywhere. I did make a video about it. It's up in the cards there. 2 PVC Sissy Maid dresses. I've got another similar dress with white detailing and black PVC. I did wear it to a friend's house though once for a sort of a mini photo shoot. I'll put a photo up there. But yeah, maybe I'll get an event someday where I can actually wear this out of the house. So let's do a couple of poses in this one. And now I'm going to switch this up a little bit, as I'm going to try on my thigh-high boots with it. I'll be right back. Okay, so these are my thigh-high boots I was promising. 5-inch heel, lace up front, zip down the side, so I don't have to do the laces up each time. Black patent PVC. What do you think? They look sexy, don't they? Today, I've never worn these out of the house. In fact, this is the first time I've ever photographed or videoed them. So yeah, it's first look for you guys, gals and non-binaries. What do you think? Does it work with the outfit? Let me know in the comments. Does this outfit work better with fishnets and heels or with my thigh-high boots? Also, those gloves, yay or nay? Okay, so before we switch it up to the next outfit, we need to take a couple of photos. I'm warming to them though. Right, time to switch it up. Let's go to the next outfit. I'll be right back. Outfit number 2. So this is my black and purple PVC buckle dress from Misfitz Alternative Clothing. Yes, I know, it's another one from Misfitz Alternative Clothing, but they make good clothes. I just love PVC dresses from them. I'm not a shill. I did buy this with my own money. It was a lot of money, but it's my own money. This is probably a good time in the video to say that this video is not sponsored in any way. I bought all of these outfits with my own money. I'm not affiliated with anyone, but do check out Misfitz Alternative Clothing. Really good quality stuff. Anyway, on with the video. I love this dress. I wore this out in Leeds in January. There's a video up there. Pretty much like this, but I wore it with black hair and black lipstick and a spiky collar, I think. Yeah, up there. But I also wore it to a cabaret night in February, I think it was. Again, up there. So, what do we think? Do a few poses. And of course we want to spin around. So yeah, I really love this one and I can't wait to wear it out again. I am definitely looking for an excuse to wear this out. I just love wearing PVC. In fact, this video is just an excuse to put on makeup and wear PVC. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We've still got another outfit to go after this one. Okay, so I think it's time that we switch it up and try it with my PVC boots. You know, the thigh highs that you saw on the previous outfit? Let's go do that. I'll be right back. Oh wow, that works. That works so much better than I thought it would. Thigh-high boots really work with this dress. Don't I look amazing? Oh wow. I'm definitely going to switch this dress up by wearing these boots out one night. I mean, the dress looked fantastic with fishnets and my pleater heels. But just look at these boots with this. Wow, I'm loving it. Shall we try those gloves again? Let's try them anyway. Oops, I dropped them on the floor. Told you I was going to be your shiny Barbie doll. Yes, I think these work better with this outfit compared to the Sissy Maid dress outfit. What do you think? Okay, so we've got one more outfit to go after this one. I'll be right back. Ooh, I look good. I look really good. So this is my PVC Catsuit. I've accessorised it with a waist kincher, like an underbust corset style thing. I think it breaks it up nicely. I am wearing my pleaser heels again. I've lost the fishnets this time purely because you're not going to see them, and some of you want to see my toes anyway. Do you like my red fingers and red toenails? Red's a sexy colour, same as my lipstick. So what do you think of it? I think it looks really good. I like this. It's a thinner material than the previous two outfits, but I'm already quite hot in this. It's really warm in here. So let's get a few sexy poses for the camera. I suppose you want to see the posterior. That's not going to be the thumbnail. So, I can already hear you screaming and shouting at your screens. Put on the boots. Put on the boots. Put on the boots. Okay, I will. I'll be right back. Look into my eyes. You don't deserve to be sat down. Get down on your knees. Worship my boots. Please me. Didn't mean to break character, but for a moment I forgot I was on YouTube. It's definitely giving that aesthetic though, isn't it? Could I do the whole dominant thing? Certainly not on here. So what do you think? Definitely works, doesn't it? We need to do a few poses. So. You want one of the posterior as well? God, you lot are animals. What? I can touch the floor. So, if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you can, and the hype button does show underneath, hype this video up. It really helps its reach and it will help more people see it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. It will help me appear in your subscriptions feed. And for those of you that are still kneeling on the floor, subscribe. Good boy. Good girl. Good non-binary. Okay, enough of that. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I've certainly enjoyed making it. Just an excuse to put on makeup and wear PVC. Who wouldn't love that? Let me know down in the comments, which outfit did you like more? Was it outfit 1, 2 or 3? And which outfit went better with heels or boots? So pop that under your comment. Outfit 1, heels or boots. Outfit 2, heels or boots. And outfit 3, heels or boots. I don't think anybody's going to vote for heels with this one. You all like the boots, don't you? You dirty animals. Anyway, I shall see you on another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye. So today we are going to try on 3. That's not 3. So today we are going to try on. I am. Anyway, I shall see you on another reel. I'm going to try on some boots and heels without. Stick to the fucking script, woman.